This is for you. And please train this, because this code will give you a lot of flavor and you will be exactly in the rhythm in time. And you can add bass and clave together and you will be complete, because it will be a lot of upbeat. Downbeat will be like relax, means it will be like hammer, means it will be a lot of power. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, just basic step. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, now add the cross. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, now cross. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now, if you will understand more, where you will be in tumbao chord. Tukutumpa, tukutukum, kumpakutum, kukum. You will be more active, more dramatic.
Yeah.
Pa, tuku, tukum, kumpa, 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 ku, tum, tuku, up, tum, with emotion. Just difference is with emotion, just only. Yeah, and pa, tuku, tukum, for and tukum, kumpa, kumpaku, and 6 and tum, tuku, 8 and tuku, tum, 1, pa, tuku, tukum, kumpakutum, tukutum, pa, tuku, tukum, kumpakutum, tukutum, pa, tuku, tukum, kumpakutum, tukutum, and we will add pa, tuku, tukum, kumpakutum, tukutum.
Let's make tiny sharp
Uh-huh.
out of it.
Yeah,
so
great.
I keep the upbeat.
And pa, tuku, tukum, kumpakutum, tukutum. Yeah, and you see, this chord will give you, you want extra, give you something tap, bit pa, tukutukum, kumpakutum, tukutum. You want put something extra to your body. Pa, tukutukum, kumpa. Kumpa, like kumpa means kumpa, you see? Kumpa kutum, taka ta, pa, tuku, tukum, kumpa kutum, tuku. More, your body wants explore, kumpa, kumpa, kumpaku, kumpa, 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 kumpa. Kumpakutum.
Okay.
Kumpakutum. Yeah? Explore this. And one more time. Pa, tuku, tukum, kumpakutum, tukutum. One more. Pa, tuku, tukum, kumpakutum, tukutum, Go. Kumpakutum. Now. Pa. Tukutukum. Kumpakutum. Tukum. Pa. Tukutukum. Cross. Keke. Ata. Keke. Kuku. Sabor. Ah. You must feel always this. Da, tick, tick, kum, ka, kum, 2, 4, 6, 8, da, kum. It's always, you will find, you must always feel the bounce, always. During on one dance, you have bounce too, but it's more flat, because you hit one. It's difficult. Get up, yeah? But if you go first up, down, up, it's easier to back, to come, back, to back, pa tum tum pa tum. Basic. Pa tum pa tum tum pa tum. Pa. Ah ah. Traveling. Pa. Simply step. Salsa number 1, 2, 3, 2. I will add for you some extra movement. You will use very simple steps. Come on. Tum 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 pa tum tum pa tum 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 pa. Traveling.